Muhammad Ali, the white trunks. Zora Folley, the challenger, in the dark trunks. They are brown. Folley is a patient fighter, counter puncher, and he gets in a light right hand there. Ali, the champion, figures to circle the ring till he's ready to carry the attack to his opponent. Now remember, especially in the early rounds, the 34-year-old Folley will be dangerous. Time could work again. The champion has speed, great speed. 2 minutes left in round one. And that's a little less majesty. The challenger showing no respect for the champion. Out of respect, probably, for Folley's punching power, the champion keeping his gloves up higher than he usually does. Usually dangles them at his hips. Champion seemingly is going to get aggressive any moment. He's looking for the spot. And that was not a soft punch. Folley has brought the crowd up with those punches. Ten seconds left in round one. Ali's looking to get in there now with that famous flurry. He's also got to watch the countering right hand. Bothering Folley, apparently. Two minutes left in this round. Johnny Lobianco, a very fine referee, is in there. Folley is getting those jabs into the body, too. Some of the crowd is yelling, "Stand still, Folley. Don't walk around and get tired." I guess Zora knows what to do. They have both had harder sessions in the gymnasium, but without the tension of the championship match. Notice how Folley can ride back with those punches, but now the champion's jab is getting in there. Ali got in his first good right hand that time. Flush on the jaw. Folley took it well. Round three at Madison Square Garden. The champion is now finding his opponent with jabs and is looking better. See how quick the champion's left hand is? 10 seconds to go in this round. Round three. Round four in this heavyweight match. Muhammad Ali, the champion of all the world in the white trunk. Folley, the challenger from Chandler, Arizona. Champion weighing 211 and a half. Folley, 202 and a half. Although there's little action, the crowd doesn't seem to mind. Champion Ali is always a show, no matter what he's doing. Folley is gradually cutting down the distance that Ali is away from him. He's trying to corner. Folley is trying to corner him little by little. See how well the challenger rolls back from those punches? And there's Folley down! 5, 6, 7, 8. Folley is up at 9. About a minute and 40 seconds left to go in the round, and Folley is back battling. They said Folley wouldn't be Tiger, but he is. This has turned into quite a fight, hasn't it? 1 minute to go in round 4. Folley bleeding from the nose. Folley's coming back from that knockdown, and he is scoring. One of the infrequent clinches. The punches that put Folley down came so fast, you could hardly see them. There's nothing wrong with Folley's courage, believe me. 10 seconds to go in round 4. Don Dunphy at ringside in this heavyweight championship match. Muhammad Ali, the champion, the white trunks, challenges Zora, Folley, and Brown. In case you joined us late, Folley was down from a combination in the 4th round. Took the count listening to it and got up and has fought fairly well since. In the last round or so, the champion's speed has been turning the fight his way. Now he is moving in, which has been unusual for him in this fight. That was a blocked punch, and Folley rolled with them. 2 minutes to go in round 7. Who, of course, is the sentimental favorite with the crowd. Talked about Folley's courage. The champion has plenty himself. There's no question about that. That's Folley down from that right hand. I don't know if he's going to make this one. 6, 7, 8. He's not. No, he gamely tried to get up. And Muhammad Ali has retained his heavyweight championship of the world. After about 1 minute and 55 seconds of the 7th round, Folley tried gamely. He gave the champion the best battle of the champion's career. That is, since he has been champion. And here's Johnny Addy with the announcement.
The time, 1 minute and 48 seconds of the 7th round. The winner by a knockout, and still